Boy, there is a lot of feces in here.
What kind of underwear? I don't know. Big underwear, I guess?
Okay. It's kind of an odd thing to say.
Yeah, sort of a weird comment right in front of all of us.
What the hell was that?
Mr. Griffin, that's a prostate exam.
Shut up! You had your finger in my ass!
That's how a prostate exam is performed. Now, if you'll just let me—
Get away from me!
Brian, there's no more graham crackers.
They're in the cabinet.
I don't see them.
They're right in front of you. Which cabinet are you looking at?
Can't you just come in here?
No, I'm busy.
Goodbye, big fart.
Oh, no.
The flight's going to be a little longer than we've expected. We've got some very strong headwinds. Giggity.
So, you do go all the way?
Giggity.
Yay! I haven't been in my closet for years.
Oh, no, Brian! Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, it's going under the fridge! Oh, no, Brian! Oh, no, Brian!
Oh, well, yay!
Giggity.